Owls are silent hunters with incredible vision, hearing, and neck rotation. These mysterious birds of prey have fascinated humans for centuries with their unique abilities and striking appearance. Today, we're exploring 10 amazing facts about owls that will leave you in awe. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible nature stories. Keep watching if you want to learn 10 amazing facts about owls. They're masters of disguise. As you already know, owls are solitary and nocturnal animals, but during the day they sleep. And although they might seem pretty conspicuous when they're perched on a branch or hunting over an open field, in their natural habitat they tend to blend in pretty well. All of their colors are mostly whites, browns and grays, tones that help them blend in with the trees and go unnoticed by both prey and predators. The plumage of the owl is specially adapted to break up their outline, making it difficult to distinguish between the bird and the tree bark or the shadows cast by the moon. Owls are incredibly patient hunters. They will sit perfectly still for hours if necessary, waiting for the perfect moment to pounce. This patience, combined with their camouflage abilities, makes them formidable predators. Silent hunters. While we think of owls as being silent, they actually produce a range of vocalizations, including hoots, screeches, barks, and even rattles. However, compared to most birds, owls are relatively quiet. They have special adaptations that allow them to fly silently. First, their wings are covered in tiny backward-facing barbs, which creates turbulence and reduces noise. Second, their feathers are thick and downy, which helps to muffle the sound of their wings beating. Finally, owls can control the speed of their wing beats to produce lift without creating much noise. All these factors combined make owls incredibly stealthy predators. They can sneak up on their prey without being detected and then pounce before their target even realizes what's happening. More than 200 species. Owls are a diverse group of birds, and there are more than 200 species found throughout the world. They vary in size, color, and behavior, but all are highly adapted for nocturnal hunting. Some of the most well-known species include the barn owl, known for its heart-shaped face and distinctive call, and the great horned owl, which has prominent ear tufts and is one of the most widely distributed species of owl. There are also smaller owls such as the northern saw-whet owl and the eastern screech owl, which can be found in woodlands throughout North America. And in the tropics, you might spot colorful owls like the spectacled owl or the Amazonian pygmy owl. No matter where you are in the world, there's likely an owl species that calls that area home. Extraordinary night vision. Owls have exceptional night vision, which is essential for their nocturnal lifestyle. They can see in near darkness, and their eyes are adapted to gather as much light as possible, allowing them to hunt effectively at night. Compared to humans, owls have much larger eyes that capture more light. They also have a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which helps to direct light back through the retina, giving the owl better visibility in low light conditions. Additionally, owls have more rods than cones in their eyes, which are responsible for detecting movement and seeing in black and white rather than color. These adaptations enable owls to excel as nocturnal predators, spotting prey and swooping in for a surprise attack. They turn their heads 270 degrees. One of the most remarkable features of owls is their ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees in either direction. This flexibility allows them to scan their surroundings without moving their bodies, making them even more stealthy hunters. Unlike humans, who have a single central axis for our neck rotation, owls have extra bones in their necks that provide additional flexibility. These bones are connected by strong ligaments, allowing the owl to twist its neck into various positions. Additionally, owls have special blood vessels that remain twisted, even when they rotate their heads, ensuring proper blood flow to their brains. This remarkable adaptability enables owls to observe their surroundings discreetly, catching prey off guard and surviving in their ecological niches. They swallow their prey whole. Owls have a unique way of consuming their prey, and it's not what you might expect. When an owl catches its prey, it usually swallows it whole, including the bones and fur. You might be wondering why they don't choke on the bones. Well, owl bones are hollow and lightweight, so they don't pose a choking hazard. After swallowing the prey, the owl digests the soft tissues, but the undigested parts like bones and fur remain in the stomach. Later, the owl coughs up these remains in the form of pellets. This process of regurgitating pellets is normal for owls, and is actually beneficial for understanding what the owl has been eating. By dissecting owl pellets, researchers can learn about the owl's diet and the populations of rodents and other prey animals in the area, live, in both hot and cold climates. Owls can thrive in a wide range of climates, from the frigid cold of the Arctic to the scorching heat of the desert. For example, the snowy owl is found in the Arctic regions where it hunts lemmings and other small mammals. On the other hand, the burrowing owl can be found in open grasslands and deserts, where it feeds on insects and rodents. What makes this possible is their ability to adapt to different temperatures and find suitable nesting sites. Some owls, like the great horned owl, are found across a variety of habitats because they are adaptable and opportunistic hunters, are parents for life. Once an owl reaches sexual maturity, typically around 1 year of age, they mate for life. Once a female owl lays eggs, both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for their young. Male owls will often bring food to their mate while she incubates the eggs, ensuring that she stays nourished. When the owlets are born, both parents work together to feed and protect them. This strong bond between parents is crucial for the survival of the young owls, as they require constant care and attention to grow and thrive. Owl couples often stay together for many years, with some pairs remaining faithful to each other for decades. They can hear mice under the snow. Owls have an incredible ability to hear small animals moving under snow, leaves, or soil. This skill is particularly useful in winter when many of their prey animals are hidden beneath the snow. Owls can use their acute sense of hearing to locate rodents and other small mammals that are difficult to spot. Their ears are asymmetrical, meaning that they are located at different heights on either side of their head. This allows them to triangulate the source of the sound and pinpoint where their prey is hiding. Once they've located their target, owls can use their sharp talons and beaks to dig through the snow and capture their meal. Now, it's time for you to join the conversation. Tell us in the comments section below, which fact about owls surprised you the most? Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more videos about nature and animals. And remember to subscribe for more exciting adventures. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery, and we'll see you next time.